Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G for Straight Talk Wireless. The Galaxy A37 is now here at Straight Talk. You can see the phone right there, front and back, right now. Second phone. It looks like any other Samsung smartphone recently, so that's good there. It looks very nice. So you guys have your triple camera system down the back, camera first, Samsung logo. Front of the phone is your whole point front facing camera. Power and bank piece on the right side of the phone there. This is the right front of the phone there. Whole points for your front facing camera, power and bank piece on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone, I just mentioned that your triple camera system, camera first, and your Samsung logo there on the back. So yeah. The Galaxy A37 is now at Straight Talk for $349.99. It's $100 cheaper at Straight Talk than it is at Verizon. Verizon is charging $449.99 for retail price. But you can pay monthly for it on Straight Talk at $14.58 a month with Smart Pay there. So there you go. So it's cheaper at Straight Talk than it is at Verizon prepaid. So kind of interesting. Everybody uses Verizon usually charges more for iPhone. So yeah. So it comes in an awesome charcoal color there. So very nice. Like I said, y'all guys can pay monthly for it at $14.58 a month for 24 months with Smart Pay. For retail price $349.99. So yeah. It says here introducing Galaxy A37. Galaxy A37 is a sleek and powerful entertainer that combines an elevated design. The fuck? Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. It says it combines an elevated design, lasting performance, and smart AI features. A 6.7-inch AMOLED display with immersive views and up to 1900 nits of peak brightness. Makes videos, games, and browsing look stunning. Capture every moment with the 50-megapixel HDR camera, featuring brighter, sharper videos. Low light and improved shot speed, while the studio-grade front camera ensures perfect selfies every time. Powered by the Exynos 1480 processor and a long-lasting battery with super fast charging 2.0. Galaxy A37 keeps you going throughout your day, plus the enhanced durability of Golden Glass Victus Plus and IP68 water resistant. Keeps your friends safe wherever you go. Whether you are staying connected, capturing moments, or browsing, Galaxy A37 gives you premium performance at an affordable price. It's the smart choice it's a smart choice you've been waiting for, right? So there's the front and back once again. Specs has an Android 16 with One UI 8 and with 6 years of OS and security updates, all with an Android 22, so that's nice. It has eSIM and it has physical SIM card support as well. You can get an SIM card or get eSIM support as well, so it supports both. It has 5G sub-6 and C-band Wi-Fi 7 according to this. On Verizon it says it's Wi-Fi 6, but if you look on the official Samsung website, it should tell you the exact Wi-Fi it supports. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. This one says Wi-Fi 7. On Verizon's website, it says Wi-Fi 6. So kind of interesting there. So your dimensions on the Galaxy A37 is 6.41 inches height, 3.08 inches with a 0.29 inches depth. Display is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display according to Golden Glass Victus Full HD plus 1080 by 2340. Pixel resolution 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. Your cameras are a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. It's fixed focused, f2.2 aperture. You get a triple camera system on the back with a 50-megapixel main camera with an autofocus and optical image stabilization, f1.8 aperture, a 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, f3.2 aperture, and then a 5-megapixel macro camera with an f2.4 aperture on the back, and flash, of course. 5,000 mAh battery, standby time up to 403 hours, talk time up to 46 hours, usage time up to 31 hours. It has Bluetooth 5.3. The processor has a Samsung Exynos 1480 chipset, which is octa-core. 128 gigabytes of memory there. The Galaxy A37 weighs 6.91 ounces. Additional features include fingerprint, facial recognition, and neck security from Samsung. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor. I'm pretty sure about that. What comes in the box is, of course, your Samsung Galaxy A37 smartphone activation card, Type-C to Type-C charging cable. You guys will need a Type-C adapter for that. Quick start guide, a battery phone booklet, and some ejection tool. So you're turning stuff in the box there, alright? That's the front again, front and back. Very nice looking phone. Features. The best of TV offer free all on your phone. Your Galaxy A series device comes with Samsung TV Plus, all the entertainment you want at zero cost. Choose from 350 plus live TV channels and thousands of movies and shows on demand, all for free. That is a Samsung exclusive Samsung TV Plus, where you can watch free TV shows and movies there. So pretty cool. Amazing quality, effortlessly capture every moment effortlessly on Galaxy A37 with the advanced triple lens camera system with a 50 megapixel HDR main camera and a studio grade front camera. Enjoy stunning photos in all sorts of settings. See family moments in a whole new light. Capture bright, clear memories anytime on Galaxy A37 with effortless night photography. Perfect shots even in low light. No adjustments needed. Awesome battery, amazing charge. With a long-lasting battery, Galaxy A37 gives families more freedom to enjoy their phone outlet free. More power, more awesome. From graphic-intensive gaming to effortless multitasking, Galaxy A37 delivers smooth, responsive power when you need it. Awesomely fast 5G. Obviously, one of Verizon's network, so you'll get fast 5G. Says ready to speed things up. Load games, browse the web, and download content fast with 5G available on all Galaxy A series devices. So, yeah. So, yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A37. It's now here at Straight Talk Wireless for $349.99 for retail price, which is cheaper than Verizon, which Verizon is selling the Galaxy A37 for $449.99, $100 more than Straight Talk is. So if you guys want to get this phone cheaper, go to Straight Talk and you guys get this phone for $349.99. So it's cheaper at Straight Talk than it is at Verizon prepaid. So there you go. Y'all guys can also pay monthly for it as well, $14.58 a month for 24 months with Smart Pay. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Samsung smartphone with great features and specs and stuff, and great features and specs and stuff, the Galaxy A37 is worth checking out. Like I said, it's cheaper at Straight Talk than it is at Verizon prepaid for some reason, which is kind of interesting. But nonetheless, a great, awesome deal at the same time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.